done. I made it back into Walmart, so I'm finding new decor by Mr. Christmas. Honestly, you guys, I already skimmed through the Christmas area. This might be a short video because I've been sharing it. $16.98. You have Santa in the red truck. It's gonna light up. And look, the large ceramic angel, $17. She will light up. They do have one in Hobby Lobby. And look over here, so cute. 17. I love it. I love that. And another Mr. Christmas. I've never seen so much Mr. Christmas in Walmart. I wonder if that's new this year. I'm pretty sure those are gonna light up. $12.98. Oh, it's not working. So we have an elf. It is full of glitter. You have your angel. There it goes, gonna light up the top. And Santa. I like the Santa one, but my favorite would have to be the snowman. He is so cute. I like that vintage style. Again, we could always dust it off. It's pretty dusty. It's not like really glued on there on the glitter. And they have mini ceramic figures. It looked like there was more. Maybe a snowman, a Santa, but the elf is only left over. These are $4.98. A little jingle top hat. We have this one too. This one doesn't have stripes on it. It's kind of cool. I like it. And this is gonna be, let's see, Sing Along Santa, $40. Oh gosh.
Santa here. Put a song on my music stand and I'll play it for you. Deck the Halls, a Christmas classic.
His arms aren't moving. I feel like the arms are supposed to move. There is a joint right here. Huh. It plays 12 favorite songs and can play up to 24. Oh gosh. How do I turn that off? Oh no. Let me try this one. Oh, that's pretty cool. New wrapping, $5.98. We have Santa, snowman, a deer, snowflake. Okay, not that much. These are new on top. Those are $1.98. And if you're looking for a bag, you just want to bag it, $1.98. I love this wrapping. He is blowing snow at you like a little snow kiss. $4.98. All of these are $4.98. They even have a red truck if you're a big fan. 98 cents, little snowman. There's Santa, snowflake. These are really cute. And more snowman. You will get 4 for $4.98.
The big ones are gonna just.
They have the doggy for $25. Oh gosh, there's even a donkey, you guys. I didn't see that before. That is really funny. No more Santa. Okay, I know we've seen these already. That sign, you know I love it. I like that black and white one. That is new. So I got a cow, a barn, snowman. That is $20. $9.98, so $10. Today they have the Village Toy Shop. It's gonna be $14.92. I keep forgetting never to pay attention. It's always messed up. Look at this one. Let me bring it down. This one's gonna be $20 though. Look at the kids in the window with their dog. And there's a little girl peeking in at Santa. You know what? I feel like that train should move. It doesn't.
I thought it would too. It's
They have a water tower, $7.98. Maybe if you're doing like a farmhouse village. Okay, these are new for $7.98. It will light up. They only have coffee right now.
I should say cocoa.
Yeah. And Pioneer Woman, her ranch for $20 if you want that. Her ranch is beautiful. I am jealous. Okay, and the carolers are out. And I think, you guys, honestly, I feel like this might do it for anything new in Walmart. You know these nutcrackers that I did share before? They're already sold out. Can you believe that? That is crazy. The 10-inch, $3. Advent calendar is still here. And these are 98 cents. Of course, we have the snowman, snowflake, and you know, the red truck and a gnome with Santa. And look, you guys, they have minions here. You have little children. They have Frozen, Paw Patrol, $1. These are $1.98. I think the characters are going to be $1.98. So pretty much two. Oh my gosh, look it. You would love it. Do you want that?
A Wookie cookie.
That is hilarious. Oh my gosh.
Ooh,
Look, I got Yoda, Stormtrooper,
those
the
are
TIE
really
Fighter,
freaking funny.
R2-D2, Darth Vader. I like that C-3PO. And look at, they took a bite out of it. How
It's
funny.
getting destroyed.
You know my husband's a Star Wars geek. And look, they have Disney, of course. Should we buy that?
That's
The
pretty
Grinch.
funny.
And they all might be a repeat. Yeah. So that's kind of cool, right? Alright, you guys. This is such a short video. They look like they're still filling in, and we have gone through this before. This gnome, he's going to be new. That is $2. $1.98 for like a snowman. You have your present. A little barn is $1.98. And you guys, they even have an elephant. How funny. For $2. I like these. These are my favorite. I like them a lot. Oh gosh, look at this guy. Do you guys like him? No? Or do you like the original Santa with a little different outfit? This I think is really cool. Just don't know if I want to add that to my tree. It's kind of cool. I do like him. Alright, you guys, my Walmart is still filling in. Every now and then you have to constantly check different Walmart locations, I notice, because again, every store is different. Some are getting more than others, you know what I mean? It's just kind of crazy this year. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. There's that aisle. And then down here, these are like lights and stuff. Just a tad. But look, they have a blow up dinosaur. How funny. Cardinal, Paw Patrol Chase, Minion. But I'm loving how we're finding Mr. Christmas. That is like really awesome. And Walmart did really good with that, because normally they don't really carry a lot of vintage decor. So that's going to be one of my favorites. Hobby Lobby, you know, they do have vintage decor, but it's kind of sparse, you know what I mean? And then the toys, they're out. Oh, you guys, you know this basketball guy that I shared? He makes noise. So at the bottom, there was one out in the front. He makes noise and he scoops back. So it moves, which is kind of cool. So here's a basketball. Nice shot. Let's back it up so it does scoop back, which is kind of cool. And it is $49.97.